How to disable your keyboard in your laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the process is very simple. In order to do this, you will have to simply disable your keyboard driver or uninstall it completely. To do so, go to your start menu and then search for device manager. After that, search for keyboard and then double tap it. Now the available keyboard on your laptop or PC will appear over here. Now right click on it and then simply tap on uninstall device and your keyboard will no longer function in your device. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.